You need to
Launch the flash, push the nucleus, slash bounce, boost average order, rescue abandoned, localize the Mother's Day, hit 5 market, report on all of it by 4 p.m.
you want.
Find time to be try new ideas, launch and personalize every let AI optimize around, then grow your team. You want to be a happy marketer.
Meet the new Storyly, transformed into an AI-powered content experience platform for mobile commerce. Now, busy becomes easy, dreams become doable. Pick a goal-driven recipe, boost AOV, recover carts, launch drops, drive conversions, and more. Add social-born, mobile-native widgets anywhere on your mobile store. Let Storyly AI sort and personalize the content based on shopper behavior. See revenue analytics prove which idea wins. Scale it, kill the rest. Set it, forget it, then brag about it. Storyly makes marketers happy. Join the waitlist today.